What profession do you have zero respect for? I was a paramedic for 10 years, and I have zero respect for people who work in nursing homes. I know there are some good ones out there, but I never saw them. We would get called to these places all the time for patients who hadn't been checked on in hours. They would be covered in their own waste, and the staff would just stand around doing nothing. I remember one time we got called for a patient who was having trouble breathing. When we got there, we found him in a room with the window open and the fan on. It was the middle of winter and he was freezing. We closed the window, turned off the fan, and he was fine. The staff couldn't even be bothered to do that. Another time, we got called for a patient who was having a seizure. When we got there, we found him on the floor with no one around. We asked the staff why they didn't do anything, and they said they didn't want to get sued. We had to explain to them that they were supposed to help the patients. We also had to call the police a few times because we found patients who had been assaulted by the staff. It was disgusting. I have no respect for people who work in nursing homes and don't care about the patients.